Okay, let's see this PYQ of this JEE Mains Maths, and we have one question given. This is one of the very famous question, and as you can see there is a functional equation given. What is the functional equation given? F of x is equal to 2 to the power x divided by this, and they have been told to ask this. Now, one thing about this functional equation, one of the very famous, for this functional equation, if I go to try, f of x plus f of 1 minus x expression is always equal to 1 for this functional equation, very famous. Now, what they are asking to solve me this. So, if I solve this, if I going to expand, this is going to be f of 1 by 82 plus f of 2 by 82, and it will keep going till f of 81 by 82. And if I notice here, 81 by 82 can be written as 1 minus 1 by 82. The previous one just before this can be written as 2 minus 1 by 82, and it will be dotted, and if you notice this, f of 1 by 82 plus f of 2 by 82. So, if I replace 1 by 82 as a x, so this is making a pair of 1 minus x. So, like this, if I am replacing this by x, this will be 1 minus 2 by 82. So, this will be 1 minus x. So, it is forming a pair, and here given the forming a pair is equal to 1. Yes or no? So, how many pairs will be there? So, how many terms are there? As you can see, the number of terms is equal to 81, means there will be 40 pairs, and one pair will give 1. So, 40 pairs will give what? So, if I notice 40 pairs will give me 40 into 1, which is 40, and one pair will be left. What is that pair which is going to be left? So, that is going to be f of 41 by 82, and 41 by 82 is nothing but f of 1 by 2. So, all we need to find the value of f of 1 by 2. So, if I put f of 1 by 2, so this will be, what is the f of 1 by 2? F of 1 by 2 is going to be root 2 divided by 2 root 2, means 1 by 2. So, this value will be 1 by 2. So, as we can see, this answer is going to be 81 by 2, which is option number D. Thank you everyone.